Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I will be showing you how to turn off Waze notification. So guys, in order for you to do this process, first things first is you can just simply open up the Waze application into your device. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the three lines in the top left corner of the screen or the menu icon. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now, here on the settings, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here notifications. So from here, you will have three options. You will have notifications, plan drives, or reminders. So the most important thing is the notifications over here. And pretty much you could access everything over here. So from here, you could receive all push notifications. So you could turn this on or off. And pretty much you could also filter it out by unchecking specific notification that you don't want. So as you can see, there are a lot of things that you could filter out. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And you will also have email over here as well. So from here, you should be able to turn off Waze notification. You just simply uncheck everything over here. So pretty much you will not receive any notification over here. Or what you could try to do is just simply hold the app and go for the app info. And from here, you will have notifications and just simply turn it off directly. And pretty much you will not receive any notification from the Waze application into your phone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.